This is the S25 Ultra, Samsung's fastest, slimmest, strongest, most advanced and feature-packed Galaxy device ever, but despite that it doesn't quite feel like it. Let me explain why. I got the chance to try the S25 Ultra early, and while Samsung showed off plenty of new features, these three stood out the most. First, there's a new photo editing feature called Best Face. It lets you pick the best facial expressions from a series of shots and even swap out the expressions of other people in the photo, like I did with my friend. It's fun to use. This feature has been available on Pixel phones for a while, but now it's on the S25 too. Second, Samsung's browser now has a Galaxy AI icon. Tap it and you'll find an option to read highlights aloud, which does exactly what it says. It reads whatever's on your screen. While iPhones have had this feature for some time, it's now available on the S25. Third, there's a video editing tool called Audio Erase. It analyzes the audio in your video, identifies different sounds, and lets you enhance or reduce specific ones. It's handy, but again, something that's already been on iPhones and Pixels for a while. However, here's something truly new. Samsung's AI features have always been impressive, and that remains the case here. The Edge panel now includes an upgraded AI tool called AI Select. It's like the old Smart Select, but smarter. It recognizes what's on your screen and suggests relevant actions. For example, I used it to bring a photo into Draw Assist, formerly Sketch to Image, which lets you create new illustrations or edits. Speaking of creativity, Samsung now has its own image generator. You can choose different styles like 3D or cartoon, or add text prompts to create something entirely new. The results were surprisingly good, like a lion with a crown that looked great. I also explored the updated Portrait Studio, which offers the same styles but with a better overall experience. The AI-generated edits feel more refined, and you can even add text prompts to customize your results. Another fun addition is the sticker generator in the keyboard. I typed lion in a teacup, selected a style, and got a custom sticker in seconds. It's a neat feature, though I'm unsure if you can create stickers of yourself yet. Samsung has also introduced a feature called Now Brief. It uses AI to analyze your apps and provide a summary of your day. You control which apps it accesses, and everything runs on device. I'm curious to see how useful this ends up being, but it's a unique addition that I haven't seen elsewhere. Now let's talk cameras. The main camera has been upgraded from 12 megapixels to 50 megapixels, which means sharper, brighter photos and videos. The highlight, though, is the new ability to record in cinematic 8K log format. This is a huge deal for content creators and videographers, though casual users might not find it as compelling. Zooming has also improved. Switching between lenses and zooming in and out feels much smoother now. The zoom slider is a great addition that makes the experience more intuitive. The biggest surprise, however, is the S25 Ultra's S Pen. For the first time, Samsung removed the battery, which means no Bluetooth, no air gestures, and no shutter button functionality. This feels like a step back, but it's likely tied to adding other features. Out of the box, holding the lock button now activates Google Gemini, which can handle almost any question like finding the nearest pet-friendly coffee shop. Bixby is still available too and has received a major upgrade. Samsung now offers two built-in assistants with Bixby, leveraging Gemini for more advanced tasks similar to how Siri uses ChatGPT. On the hardware side, the S25 Ultra features the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, which is the fastest in any phone. This upgrade makes everything noticeably quicker, and some AI features like Now Brief and AI Select are exclusive to the S25 series. You also get about an extra hour of battery life, which is always welcome. Design-wise, the changes are subtle. The S25 Ultra is now Samsung's thinnest Ultra device at 8.3mm. The bezels are symmetrical and slightly thinner, and the overall design is more squared off. There's no change to the battery size or charging speeds, which might be disappointing to some. The S25 Ultra is available in 4 elegant colors, while the S25 Base and Plus models come in a different set of 4 colors. Pricing remains the same as last year's models, but the base S25 now offers a 512GB storage option. The S24 Ultra is also more affordable now, making it a great choice if you don't need the latest features. To sum up, the S25 Ultra isn't a groundbreaking upgrade, but it does bring improvements like better cameras, faster performance, and refined features. Whether it's worth upgrading depends on what you're currently using. I'll dive deeper into these features in my upcoming tips and tricks video, so subscribe to stay updated. Let me know your thoughts on the S25 lineup in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodles.